Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Bubble Man's World. Quick little unboxing video. It is a Saturday, kind of a day off for me today, but I received this from funk.artsteve on Instagram. He owns a company called at hashheadoutfitters. I'll put that link in the description of this video. And he was kind enough to send me a box. This is one of his stickers right here. You can see if you recognize this, Hashhead Outfitters. And yeah, just gonna crack this box open really quick and kind of see what we got going on from him. So I'll hold it off to the side. I'm using my desk as a stand-up desk these days, a little bit healthier on the back. Not that my back is in terrible shape, but it's nice to have the standing ability with the stand-up desk. So first up is this kind of cool corduroy hat. So we'll open this up because we do want to see. I like how it comes, everything is sealed in seal bags. This reminds me of back in the day, Harvest Keeper bags, packing LBs out. So right off the bat, we got some pretty cool stickers. I'm a big sticker guy, so I'm always happy. There's one of his classics. We got the Hasher instead of Thrasher. I think that's super cool. I really like that. I hope Thrasher doesn't give you a hard time about that. And then, yeah, I don't even know what this says, but I like it. It's a Halloween, something about smoking hash. Stalk, crush, smoke hash. I don't know. It's cool. I like it. Let's check out the hat though. Oh yeah, this is some old school trippy corduroy action. Gonna be going to see Harry Mack tonight myself. Maybe I'll wear a new hat. Oh yeah, different, something different. I like it. He actually threw a couple of these in. He threw another one in a gray color. Probably gray is more my color. But you know what? Sometimes it's cool to try something outside of your comfort zone. And this blue is pretty cool. Bunch more stickers in here. Same three, except that one that I couldn't read was in a different color. Stack, Kush, Smoke, Hash. Stack, Kush, Smoke, Hash. You be the judge. Maybe I'm getting old. Oh yeah, there we go. There's that. And another Hasher. I really like this Hasher. I want to try this gray one on because why not? I'll tell you one thing, these hats are cozy. Cozy on the head. Really cool hats. It's got his little Hashhead Outfitters logo on the back. Definitely go give this gentleman a follow. Oh, okay. This is my style right here. This is, I mean, I love these. These two are super cool and I'm definitely going to be wearing them. If not, maybe I'll have a contest and give one of them away. This one right here is my jam. This is my jam. This is a friggin' nice hat. Oh yeah, Hasher. And I really love that logo on the back. Probably could go with putting this one more up to 3. Felt a tiny little bit loose, but I could be wrong. Oh no, 3 it is. Now that is a hat you'll see me wearing maybe on Hash Church this Sunday, which is tomorrow, 9 a.m. Got a great group linking us up on there, so come check it out. This is the cotton snapback Hasher hat. And of course he hooked me up with another one of these and another one of these. Hasher. You know, being a skateboarder, growing up in the 80s, early 90s, Thrasher, obviously a huge brand. Never thought to turn it into Hashers. I think it's pretty cool. And then, ooh, this right here. This is the poundage. This is the big one right here. This is the one that, this is the one I'm most excited about. I won't lie. Not that I don't love getting stickers and hats, but I always love getting myself a nice hoodie. And this hoodie really feels proper. Another sticker, another Hasher, and Yeah, this is a proper hoodie. Holy smokes, quality. It's got the hasher right on the front. You can see that right there, nice and embroidered. Really nice quality on this. This is quality. And then right on the back, I think this is styly too. This is proper. Let's give it a shot right now. Get it on. All right. Not too shabby. Always stoked on getting some new. Oh, yeah, that's nice. This is a thick hoodie. This is a winter hoodie. Oversized head, which I love. The oversized hoodie part. Throw it on with a cap, no problem. I'm hashing out, dude. I want to thank Steve a lot for the opportunity to send this. He is, of course, a sponsor this year at Legends of Hash, which is happening in Los Angeles, downtown Los Angeles, December 2nd and 3rd. There's going to be a dinner evening on the 2nd and a brunch on the 3rd. Unfortunately, all the sponsorships and the tickets have been sold out. But if you want to get in touch with us at info@legendsofhashish.com to find out about next year's event or the next event that we're having, maybe even in early part of 2023, maybe not in Los Angeles, but maybe somewhere else. Yeah, and otherwise, really stoked on this, Steve. Go give him a follow. You can follow him at func.artsteve on Instagram. You can also find his company at hashheadoutfitters. That's hashheadoutfitters. Thank you so much for sending this stuff. Totally loving it. And I'll make a point on supporting your company here in the near future, and I hope that you guys can as well, because it sounds like Steve is a pretty awesome guy. Otherwise, let's say may the full melt bless your bowl sooner than later, and we'll talk soon.